Dressmakers and friends, welcome back again on the channel. Today's tutorial is going to be a really quick tip, so don't go anywhere. If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get right into it. Whether you want to sew on your seam lines, whether you want to sew on any part of your beaded lace, this tutorial is going to be very helpful. If you work with beaded lace a lot, now you have nothing to worry about. You don't need to break your beads, but you need to take them out. And if you don't want to take them out, you want to go ahead to get these foot that you see me holding right here. All you need to do is buy this foot in the market and just switch it into your presser foot, remove your presser foot and put this foot, and that's one. Then you can start sewing your beaded lace without removing the beads. But today's tutorial is all about how to remove the beads and how to do it really fast. And all you need are these thread snips that you see right in my hand. These are also called snippers or clippers, but they just snip thread. They just help you to cut thread down like to the barest minimum. So it can also be called embroidery snips, but the thing is that they just snip threads. Okay, so these two works really fast. I know you've been using scissors before now, and I'm not saying scissors will not get the job done, but if you want something to get the job done faster for you, because you know that sewing beaded lace takes a lot of time, because you have to figure out what you want to do with the beads before you even start sewing. So you need to know how to manage your time. So when you want to take out the beads, using these thread snips works really fast, and that's what I thought. Let me share this video with you on this channel. Take a look at how I am doing this. This is so fast. Like, this video is not speed up at all, and you can see how fast this is doing it compared to when you have this done with scissors. Like, this tricks works so well, and that's why I had to come on here to share it with you guys. So this works just like your scissors. All you need to do is bring your snips close to like the thread that holds your bead to your fabric, and just snip it just like that. Just press the snips together. That's just how the snips work. If you have been using it to cut anything, maybe thread, you will know that that's how it works. Just press it together and you'll be able to like snip out the bead. This is how it just works. It's just as simple as this. This is nothing complicated. So try this out with your scissors and try it out also with your snips, and let me know which one you prefer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you do, make sure you leave me a sweet comment. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That is really important to me. If you are new on this channel, subscribe before you go. I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.